Hey Samaj, Tatiana, and Jennifer. So this lesson is just for you. So today is Monday, and I want to talk to you about what you're going to be doing this week. So this week we are going to be learning 10 words, and we're going to be practicing those words. So inside your folder, your reading and writing folder for Miss Esser, I have placed a paper that looks like this, okay? So it has a list of words and it's a front and back. So this is the front and this is the back of the sheet, okay? So we're gonna be learning these words and practicing these words this week. So what I want you to do is pause the video, open your folder, pull out this sheet and go ahead and write your name at the top. Okay, so you should have written your name up here at the top, just like Miss Esser, okay? Now, the next thing we're gonna do is you need to go to the front table where Miss Esser's desk is, and you're gonna pick up some index cards, okay? These are just little cards. They have lines on one side and it's blank on the other, okay? You need to count out 10, okay? So you're gonna count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So pause the video and go get your 10 index cards. Okay, now you should have your index cards and you also should have your cup of crayons in your bucket. So you're gonna practice these words all week, okay? And at the end of the week, you should be able to recognize all of these words super fast, like really, 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 really fast, okay? So what I want you to do is you're gonna write each word on one index card. So let me show you, okay? I have me, up, an, has, as, my, want, and, have, no, was. Okay, so pause your video and use your worksheet and your index cards, and let's write them on our index cards